Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible, Anju.
Okay.
Morning, Anji. Yes.
Mhm. Like first thing is, so anybody watched yesterday's video from that Google Drive folder? Yeah, anybody open that folder? Yesterday's folder? No. We will just verify whether that folder videos are appearing or not.
Yes, the folder videos are there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, have you opened both the videos? Mhm.
Or no?
Yeah, team. So if anytime you will get like this screen, okay, you have to download. So you can see what it is saying. It's taking longer than expected to process your video. Check back later or ask the owner for permissions to download this video. You just click on download. Okay. First of all, it is scanning for cannot scan file for virus. Download anyway. We are getting like this. So when you click on this, so this video will be downloaded. Then it will be open. Okay. Yeah, okay. Tell me. So you can try in this way. Even Victoria, you also got this kind of screen, right? Yes.
Yes, I did. I
Yeah.
downloaded.
Okay. Download it.
Hmm.
Like, are you downloaded the video?
Yes, I was able to download it.
Then after, is it opening?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Then so you can say because it may having more size in the it is having the more size, so that's what it is not opening here maybe. Okay, we have to download and we have to watch the video if we get this screen anytime. Oh, so in yesterday class we have discussed about the applications and modules. Okay, so what is the use of creating applications and modules? For quickly navigating to the concern tables, quickly opening the form views, list views, or if we want to open some data with some filter criteria, okay, by using the modules. When we click on that module, so it will open wherever we are planning to navigate. Okay, this is the importance of applications and modules. In today class, we are going to discuss about users, roles, and groups. Tell me what is user? What is user? What is user? Tell me. So daily we are logging with admin user, right? Admin also one user. Okay. What admin doing within the instance? So user is in manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a user in the system. Or user is a user is a record in the user's table. User is a one record in the user's table. User is a person who accesses the ServiceNow instance. User is a person who accesses the ServiceNow instance. For example, daily we are logging with admin. Here admin is a one user record in the user table. Okay. Yes, we can note down the docs definition. Users in Servicenow. So user is a person who can access the Servicenow instance. You can say manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a user in the system. Okay. User manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a user in the system. So, like whatever the record we are creating in the user table, okay, we are calling that is a user record in the user table, and we are accessing the Servicenow instance with that user records. We are accessing the Servicenow instance with that user records. User manage the individuals who can access your instance by defining them as a user in the system. Okay, I'm just copying it. Like why we required user in the system? Why we required user in the system? Generally, in the organization, in the real time, in the organization, somebody want to create some request. Maybe, for example, I want to submit some software request. Maybe Sai want to submit some mobile request. Okay. They want to submit the request. They should be a uh, they should be available in the instance, right? So we will simply create one user record for them and they will access the Servicenow instance. They want to raise an incident, yes, they will raise. They want to order something, yes, they will order something. Okay. For this purpose, we require the user records. And whenever new associate joined in the organization, definitely will create one user record for them. Okay, we'll create one user record for them. Yes. Here they mention something different. User records establishing relationship between an individual and your Servicenow instance. User record consists of a username, password information relating to the individual, such as contact information, location, job title. Okay. So you can say user records establish a relationship between an individual and your Servicenow instance. User records consist of a username, password, information relating to the individual, such as contact information, location, and job title. Okay. So this is user. Okay. And user is a one record in the user table. User is a one record in the user table. Next, I'm just copying the URLs. So I will also copy another URL here. What is the navigation for users? What is the navigation for user records? Okay, you can see. Under user administration, we have users. Under user administration, so we have users. Under user administration, we have users. Okay. Users table name is sys underscore user. Users table name is sys underscore user. Users table name is sys underscore user. Okay. And we can navigate to this table. Okay, we can navigate to this table. I'm just closing all other tabs. You can type users here. You can type users here. Like, do you remember? So whenever I'm taking whenever I'm taking reference field, mostly I will reference to the user table only. Like if I'm taking requester, taking manager, caller, so mostly we will reference to the user table. Okay, you can scroll down. So under user administration, we have users. Okay, and just to open the users. So almost we have 627 user records are there. Almost we have 627 records are there. And basically in real time, if any new employee joined in the organization, if somebody joined in the organization, they will create a user account in the AD. AD stands for Active Directory. And that user record flows to Servicenow instance by using the LDAP integration. Okay. Like sometimes we will create a local account or we will create a temporary account. Okay. Like for example, today Sai joined in the organization. Okay. Maybe for creating some active directory, maybe creating user record in active directory and flowing that user record from active directory to our service now instance. It may take 1 or 2 days time. Okay. Maybe in between, we need Sai to work on some tasks. Okay, and we will create some user record here and we will provide the password to him, and he is able to access the service now instance, and whatever the task we assign to him, so he will work on that. Okay, and some organizations will not do the active directory integration. Okay, directly whenever new user join in the organization, they will directly create a user record manually instead of flowing from the active directory. Okay, yes, these are the things we have to know. Like every day we are on daily basis we are logging with admin user, right? You can click on admin user ID. So this is the admin user we are daily logging. Okay, this is the admin user we are daily logging. I'm just opening the admin user report. I'm just opening the admin user report. Okay, you already know, right? So how to change a password? How to change a password for this user report? So here we have change password. Here we have change password. When we click on this change password, it will navigate to the change password window. For example, you can say I'm just clicking on the change password. This we already discussed in first 3 classes, I think. Okay. So it is asking for the old password. Yesterday I have copied to Notepad, right? Old password. So this is the password. Yesterday I have copied. Copy. So I'm just giving our unique password. Training at the rate of TRAI. Okay. Here I'm just clicking on change password. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Password changed successfully. Password changed successfully. You can change password success. Now, for example, I'm just logging out from the Servicenow instance. Okay. Till now, I logged in with this password. Till now, I logged in with this password. Okay. Now I will try to log in with the training at the rate of 100. Training at the rate of 100. Login. Yes. I have successfully changed the password here. I have successfully changed the password here. Again, you can open user ID. So basically, so we have password field here. So actually we have to display password field in the user table. Okay, but it is not appearing, you can say. So how to bring password field to form? How to bring password field to form. For that, we have to enable a one system property. For that, we have to enable a one system property. You can come here, you can type sys underscore properties. Why I am navigating to sys underscore properties table? For bringing password field into the user form. Okay. With this next experience, password field should be hidden in the form. So if we update, if we enable one system property, that password field should be appear. For that, updating that system property, I'm navigating here. You can see sys underscore properties dot list. I'm just entering here. So we have, I think not this one. Glide dot user dot show dot password dot field. I think this is the exact property. So here you can see show password. Here we just make false. Okay, now I will update to true. So you can say enable to show the password field on the user form. Enable to show the password field on the user form. So we have to update the system property. I'm just copying the system property here. Okay. For your, this is the system property we have to update to true. So all are small characters. In value field, we have to update as true. I'm just saving it. Save. Okay. We have successfully updated this password property to true. Then password field visible on the user form. And I will also copy this URL for our reference. Here your instance name. Okay. Here instance name. You can mention your instance name. Okay. Now I'm closing the system properties. Okay. Now you can come and refresh this admin page, admin user form. You can see password field should be visible here. If you want to change the password from here, yes, instead of change password linker, instead of change password linker. If you want to update the password from here, yes, you can. So once we enter the password here, and if we save or update the record, the password should be changed automatically. Password would be changed. Okay. So here I have given again training at the rate of 1 to 3. Okay. If you want to change your password to some different password, we can update the password directly here. Okay. And after entering the password, after submitting the form, after entering the password and submitting the form, you can say this password field showing as some empty, but in background, this saved the password. In background, we have password here. Okay. It is showing as some empty field, but in background, it has password. Okay. Got it, everybody? And in the user form, we have multiple fields are there. So I'm going to add that missing fields like we have manager field, we have location, company, cost center. Okay. Maybe I will bring those fields to the front into the form. You can right click on form user form header, go to the configure, form layout. Yes. I want manager field. Yes, manager. I want location. If you want, you can bring company, cost center. I want VIP also. VIP. Okay. I'm just bringing these three users to form. This VIP I'm keeping this side, and this manager and location I'm keeping this side. Just to save it. You can say I just bring this VIP checkbox and these two user fields. For example, as of now, for this system administrator, there is no mobile phone. There is no manager, there is no location. I'm just updating these details. Okay. Mobile phone should be like six, some random number I'm giving. Okay. some random number I have to that. Manager, maybe the system administrator's manager is Fred Ludy, I'm saying. Okay. Maybe his location is New Jersey or something. Okay. His location is New Jersey, for example. I'm just saving this user record. Okay. So, like if any user's data is missing, so we'll update the user data like this. Okay. Yes. I just updated this manager location and mobile phone data. Maybe I'm going to create a new user record now. I'm going to create a new user record. Okay. Now you can come. You can click on new. Can click on new button. So here I am planning to create a one new user record for myself. Okay. User ID I'm saying like this Anji.Gade. User ID I'm saying like this Anji.Gade. First name is I'm keeping as Anji. Last name is Gade. Okay. Title I'm just applying here Servicenow developer. DEVLOPER. Servicenow developer I'm keeping. Department I'm saying IT department. Okay. Password like for example this Anji user joined in the organization. Okay, we are providing some local user account. Okay, so here I'm also updating some password. I'm providing password something here. Okay, and I'm whenever we are creating a new user record, okay, we have to keep password needs reset. Password needs reset. So actually what happens, so for example, as a ServiceNow developer, we are as a ServiceNow developer or administrator, we are creating a user account for the Sanji user. Okay. And so generally for the password, we'll follow the some standard password like training at the rate of 123 like that. Maybe after he log in into the ServiceNow instance, so we have to provide the facility to change a password. We have to provide the facility to him to change a password. That's what I kept password needs reset. That's why I kept password needs reset to true. So whenever the Sanji user log in into the ServiceNow instance, immediately it will ask for the password change. Immediately it will ask for the password change. Okay. If we haven't kept this password needs reset, it will never ask for the password change. Okay. So here I'm going to email. For example, I'm saying anji.gade@gmail.com. Okay. Language, English, calendar integration, Outlook, time zone. My time zone is, for example, IST time zone. Okay. You can see for the Asia Calcutta time zone here. No, again, it is not there. We have to configure. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe mobile number I'm giving like this 9094037467. Okay, here maybe I will provide my original mail ID only. Service now @gmail.com. Okay. And manager. So my manager is Abil Tutor, for example. Okay. I'm from Hyderabad location, India. You can see Hyderabad. I just entered all my details. I'm just saving the part. I'm just saving the user record. Oh, you can see if we observe, password must not contain any user data like first name, last name, username, or company name. So actually, I have given password like Anji@123. Okay, that's what it is not accepted. That's what it's not accepted. Okay, I'm just we'll ask the data again. We have to create a user record. So before creating a user record, can we configure the time zone? IST time zone. Yes. I'm going to the basic configuration. Basic configuration UI16. So here I'm clicking on configure available time zones. Clicking on configure available time zones. Okay. I'm just bringing Asia Calcutta time zone. Yes. This is IST time zone, Asia Calcutta. Okay. Save. So you can see I just type basic configuration here under system properties. We have basic configuration. We have 16. When I click here, this form will appear. So I just clicked on the configure available time zones. So I just bring the Asia Calcutta time zone to this side. Okay. Asia Calcutta time zone to this side. Okay. I'm just saving the property. Yeah, team. So if you are confusing about these navigations, so you may take notes, okay, in between the class. Okay. Now I'm going to save the now I'm going to save the this one. Okay. Save. Yes, form should be saved. I'm just closing this. You can come and refresh this user record again. Now Asia Calcutta time zone is available. You can see I'm just taking Asia Calcutta. Quickly, I'm adding details again. I'm take the first name and last name. Then title service now developer department. I am doing IT password. Okay, I have given some password. I also kept password needs reset. Email. I'm giving my email. And language English. Calendar integration Outlook Asia Calcutta time zone. Mobile number 9640837. So here manager I'm giving maybe able to touch. Location I'm giving Hyderabad. Okay. I'm just saving this user record. Okay, I'm just saving this user record. Why? Oh my God. You can say password must not contains any predictable sequences. Like I have given password should be training at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, again, it is not accepted the password. Yeah, like we have this many validations for the passport field. Okay. Manager, patient, the pass. Almost I have given all the details. Maybe I'm also planning to give some picture. Okay. Profile picture. I'm also planning to give some profile picture. Yes. I'm just clicking on photo. Choose by. So I'm going to downloads. Maybe I will look for some photo. Maybe I'm giving this photo. Okay. Okay. Like this, we will provide the like this, we will create the record. Okay. Like this, we will create the record. Here you can see I'm just keeping password needs reset true. Password needs reset true. Okay. Now I'm just opening this instance in another browser or maybe in Confluent window. Now I'm trying to log in with the Anji user. Now I'm trying to log in with Anji user. Okay. So my user ID is anji.gade. Password I have given TRAINING@. Okay. You can see. Password, this password I have given in the form. I'm just clicking on login. You can see Immediately it is asking for change password window or not. Yes. Immediately it is asking for change password window. My current password is TRAININT@123. And new password. I'm just updating as my new password. Like I just updating from training@123 to testing@123. So I'm just submitting it. Yes. Now we have successfully changed the password. Okay. Maybe we can log out and log in again with the new password. Okay. This unsure. Logging out. ng.garden password TESTING testing@123. You can see testing@123. I'm just clicking on log. Yes, we are able to log in with a new password again. Okay. And you can come and you can see what happened to password field. Yes, password field is updated. That's why it is showing this heart symbol. Yes, again, password needs reset field also updated, but from true to false. Okay, that's what it is showing this heart symbol. Okay. Yeah, here I'm planning to change the icon. Okay. Otherwise, I will don't keep icon. Because on daily basis we have to log in into the system. So this icon, it not looks like good. Okay. Just look at the icon. Okay. Just to say. Now you can maybe I'm keeping this user. If, for example, maybe in our organization, in our team, somebody left the organization. Okay, maybe their project is completed and we are releasing that user from the project. Okay, we don't want that user be there in the system. Okay, then we will simply keep logged out to true. Simply we will keep logged out true. First of all, here I will log out. First of all, here ng user is logged out. Now, like system administrator keeping locked out to true and just saving. If we keep locked out to true for any user record, if we keep locked out to true for any user record, that user not able to log in into the system. You can say now this ng user is trying to log in, but it will not allow logging into the system. Testing@123. You can say I have given correct user ID password. Log. It will show user ID or password wrong. Okay, username or password is invalid. Okay, it will not allow users to log in into the system. If we kept locked out is true. If we kept locked out is true. Got it? I'm just removing this locked out again. Same. Now I'm going to the incident form, for example. Now I'm going to the incident form. So incident create new. Maybe this we will use regularly, right? That's what I'm making as favorites. Even this also. Here I'm saying create new. You can try to select the color is ng user. You can try to select the color is ng user. So nothing is happened. Just we selected record. For example, this ng user is it's kind of a product owner. It's kind of a chief executive officers. Like they are in high level position. For example, this user is in high level position in the organization. Then for that users will make VIPs true. For that users will make VIPs true. Then I'm saving it. You can see what happens if we keep VIPs true. What is the importance of this VIP annotation? You can come and refresh this incident form. So for example, here I'm selecting as ng user. What happened? Tell me. This color field is showing in red color with a VIP notification. Okay, you can see here it is showing something like VIP image and it should be in red color. That means we have to handle this particular record. It may be incident. Now I just showed you in the incident form, right? we have to take care of this instance because this user is a it may be product owner, or it may be a CEO, or it may be a, like he is a high level person in the organization, right? We have to provide the special care for his data, like for his request or his incidents. Okay, got it? Importance of this VIP to identify quickly high level persons in the organization while submitting their request or incidents, and we have to take care with a special care. Okay, we have to take special care on their requests or their incidents. Okay, because they are in high level position within the organization. Got it, everybody? Okay, and I just want to show you one thing. Yeah, I have removed logged out, right? Now I'm trying to, and user is trying to log in. Punji.garden testing testing login. And the user is trying to log in. In Servicenow, we can track everything. For example, we are almost 16 members here. We are all 16 members here. Whether all these members are opening Servicenow instance or not, whether they are doing work or not, we can easily identify that. Okay. You can come. So here you can type users. Here you can type users. Under user administration, we have logged in users. Now tell me how many users logged into the system now. How many users logged into the system? Tell me. Yes, how many users logged? One is Anji user, another one is admin user. Yes or no? Yes. So I'm just clicking on the logged in users. I'm just clicking on the logged in users. You can see it is showing both the records. But this admin user actively navigating to this. Okay, this admin user is actively navigating, but this Sanji user not activating, not navigating to somebody. He just logged into the system. He's not doing anything as of now. That's what it is showing false. Team, this meeting will end in 1 minute. So please join again with the same meeting ID. Okay, I think Mamata, you are new to today's class, right? Yes, we have to join again with the same meeting ID.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see the Sanjay user is not moving